Hello everyone, I am from Group 12. My name is Nur Damia Imanina binti Nasra with the matrix number TE190034. I am from Mathematics 4, Section 11 and my lecturer's name is Dr. Rafida. For introduction, I want to solve the placement of the capacitors on the primary feeder of the radial distribution Lagrange interpolation and Newton's divided difference, where I is to find the optional capacitor location and Fi is to find the optimal capacitor sizes. Why choose this problem? It is because I want to reduce the power losses and to improve the voltage profile. The authentic problem and the datasheet I got is from Randy MD and Kumar NV 2012. Optional capacitor placement for loss reduction in distribution system using fuzzy and harmony search algorithm. The method is to determine the capacitor size in kVAR of 34 bus system. Lagrange interpolation and Newton's divided difference method will be best method to find the roots of the equation. This assignment will apply this numerical method to calculate the capacitor size manually and using Maple software to get a more accurate result. The Lagrange interpolation. So, there are four types of Lagrange interpolation. First is linear approximation, second is quadratic approximation, three is cubic approximation, and fourth is quartic approximation. For Newton's divided difference method, first you need to do the equation to the formula that is given, and then when you get the value, you will place it in the Newton's divided difference table. Result and discussion manual calculation for the Lagrange interpolation method. This is for the linear approximation. This is the table. The value that we get to put in to place in the table is from here. That we manage from here, and then this is for the quadratic approximation. And then this is for the cubic approximation. It's a longer process, and a quadratic approximation is longer. It's longer, but we get the answer eventually. And for the Newton's divided difference method, step 1 is putting the data in the Newton divided difference as shown in the table below. Step 2 is the first Newton divided difference is calculated as below. Step 3, the second Newton divided difference is calculated as below. Step 4, the third Newton's divided difference is calculated as below. Step 5, and finally, step 6 is putting all the result of Newton divided differences into the table below. From step 1 to step 5, and then we put the value in step 6. And step 7 is construct the Newton interpolatory divided difference polynomial. This is the equation and the answer. Meanwhile, for the Maple software calculation for the Lagrange interpolation method, as shown as below, as you can see, the result for linear approximation is almost the same, and the quadratic approximation is also almost the same, the cubic approximation, and for the quartic approximation. It's almost the same, but the steps are almost the same, but the steps are the same. For the Newton's divided difference method, this is the steps, and the first Newton divided difference the 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 formula are the same, but the result is more accurate. This is the third Newton's divided difference, fourth. And then this is the polynomial calculation. In conclusion, I have a better understanding on how to use the Maple software. The result was successfully obtained, and the answer that I get from the software was different, but it is acceptable. I will get a more accurate answer using a calculator with the software calculation. Okay, thank you for watching and goodbye.